Hi there, today we're exploring Orgtiv's 48 sets of 32 Oz plastic deli containers with lids, perfect for food storage. These containers are made from heavyweight, BPA-free polypropylene plastic, making them safe, microwavable, freezer safe, and dishwasher safe on the top rack. They feature airtight, tight-fitting lids that prevent leaks and keep your food fresh longer. Designed to resist cracks and breakage, these containers are reusable even after long-term freezing. They're ideal for storing soups, sauces, salads, snacks, and even non-food items like crafts or screws. With durable construction and versatile use, they make meal prep, leftovers, and takeout easy and organized. If you need reliable, high-quality food storage, these containers are a fantastic choice for any kitchen or project. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.